So viewer subscriber, Wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Jamal, one dunks man, a diss up an artist, and I call him wannabe. Plus we also have Foota hype. Yeah man, Foota hype at this back Demarco, and I call Demarco coward. Just because Demarco say him want 6 mil for perform, Foota hype say a style Demarco I use just because him afraid of the artist them way man go clash at Sting. You see me? Yeah man, so watch and man, we could get into it. Like up this video and subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. You see me? Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day, and make we jump right into it. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know say Jamal did a little altercation with Valiant over the slang dunks. But me nah go say Jamal did a talk about Valiant in this video. You see me? Because the entertainer never call a name, so me nah go say a Valiant. But Jamal a call an artist wannabe dunks. You see me? But to me feel like a Valiant, but me nah go say a Valiant. So the artist I say them are the wannabe dunks, but him are the real dunks man. But big up to Jamal same way. But viewer subscriber, like I said, me feel like say a Valiant, but me nah go say a Valiant because viewer subscriber, like I said, remember say a Jamal did a burn out Valiant because Valiant did a use the slang dunks. You see me? But me no surprise if a Valiant Jamal a call wannabe. You see me, viewer subscriber? But at the end of the day right now, most of the artists them a cuss over style and I say, oh, them create this a style, them create that a style, and this a money I living on my style. So right now, this is not like a new news to me. You see me? This is not a new news to me. It's just right now I'm just tired of your subscriber, I swear. But please do let me know when you think about it. Let me know if you don't feel like say a Valiant him attack or if somebody else, Yeah man. But at the end of the day, big up yourself, Jamal, viewer subscriber. Like me say, let me know what you think about that. So, Foota hype a diss up Demarco and attack on a lot of things. You see me, viewer subscriber. So, I'm going to make you hear the audio of what Foota hype saying. And like always, comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. You see me? Yeah man, like up this video if you reach this far. And subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new to this channel.
Stay ready for war, And now Sting I call you. When you see me add length to the live, 15-20 times the man call you and answer. And this man in Demarco call back Leng with manager on phone. And Leng now want to see for $6 million. We have to be realistic. He might outprice himself. Because I'm afraid of the youth. I'm afraid of the youth. And me say it before it even happen. Say I'm afraid of the youth. Him not going to do nothing. A clout him a chase. Those things. You have to even do things for free. The way you chat tough and come. How much you know bet me say? When him go live, a Foota hype him start trace. Who a bet? Put up on. Who a bet? Who a bet say when him go live, a Foota hype him start trace? Who a bet? Bet say, see Marcus want a studio war there. See Marcus want a studio war there. Go studio war Marcus. Where you want war with Coyote if you not go past thing? The youth them willing to clash you for free. Where you do a $6 million? Which how you reach a $6 million? Bet anytime you see Demarco go back live. Him put on him pom-pom and him bloomers and him start trace Foota. Better see him be a trace. And nah those things. The way the man run like that, the man say me him want clash. Him ready to do sound clash with me. So one of the days I argue for Demarco for honestly say an idiot. The artist afraid and uno brave. You know say one nonsense. Remember the review wish Demarco darkness. Me no business about that. Him not do sting, me not review nothing more for Demarco. If him not do sting, what the fuck me I waste time I review war song for Demarco for? Demarco can't sing no more gunman song for me here. You cannot talk about war and I go on and you afraid of sting. So what the fuck me I review war song for you for? Me a idiot? Me look like me not understand, me look like me have time for waste. Be fear your pussy clot. And Demarco say want war, and him say the youth will push a foot. And see if him not kill everything and you remember when they say? So how no him a run from this the war platform. Sting of the war platform and a blogger, him say me a blogger. Him say me a blogger, you know. So how the fuck him want trace with me on social media, but you know want this thing. Tell him don't be a blogger, be a jogger. Go run a morning time and go do bumbo clots thing. All I wanna chat say I mean nothing, dog. Me not review no war song for Demarco. Waste of time. Bumbo clot doing about review war song for Demarco. Demarco war. You know see internet clout him a look. Film name call up him get to show. I want to hear. Me no fool. Oh, you fi turn down Sting. And I talk about $6 million. You know you not get $60 million for nothing at all. Not even sure what you do in America, you not get so much money. So where you keep calling Rhino name about 10 years ago for? Rhino got Sting go war. Where you talk about? And Joe them in that box Sting and give her one prize for anybody will win. And never that Rhino get fiddle Sting. Anybody win. Either him or Keep Rich. Anybody win get the money. And him get the money because him did win that night and Keep Rich come kill him back the next year. So what you talk about? Stop type fuck man, you type it about 10 times. Next time you type that, I block you off of my page too. And you're going over Demarco page. Because you know make no sense. If him not do this thing, why would we waste time playing a war song for Demarco? When the man put up white flag already. When him say more $6 million white flag him a put up. Because Demarco not getting $6 million for no show in America right now. No show at all. So I don't know where that I go. If him not do this thing, we don't want to hear no badness from Demarco. I'm a bet you say, tomorrow when you see him go live, you in there Canada, man, our friend them show, man. We know the whole thing about that show. I bet you any money, he will go and go to the show too. Because name in the space now mix up with our word and him have some big song. Demarco have a lot of, but you not have nothing for bargain with now in a current space. For you come talk about you want $6 million, you not get $6 million to do a show in a foreign no time. So you want to take that for a length. How you want to take that for a length? Because you don't want to do the show. Because you're really coward for true. You're afraid of the youth. Because they make you afraid. Remember when you need a clash next youth, you have this big confidence. Up the ladder may I go. Me done with this. May I climb up the ladder. Send somebody else. Send somebody else. Then when Coyote attack your ear, you better me go back go clash the man. Oh, you turn back down the ladder. And you're coward. My youth, when you know this thing, we lose all faith in you. Be a chat. Chat him out. Yap. Blap, yap. Tracing. Yap. Foota this, foota that. I know foota you are. Take the bookings for Sting and go face the youth them over there. And stop the chatting foota hype on the artist. But Clive him not getting that finish over here. So him want to take that from Leng. Him not getting that finish over here. Let's be realistic. You understand me I say? Yo, him can't say anything what he want to say. Him can't say anything what he want to say about me. Remember me name Foota Eye. People enjoy talking bad things about me every day. I mean, I have no problem with that. Demarco can't say anything what he want to say about me. Zin? Yeah, I wear people clothes. I have no money, I broke, I hungry, everything. So everything about me, and that I'm a problem. Go do Sting. Stop make it be about Foota Hype on an artist. Me a blogger. Yeah, me can't select nothing now go on for me. Me a blogger. Say that not Demarco. Yeah, man. Me alright with that. But go and go face the artist. Go and go do Sting. Coming in and chasing it there now. Because you know my gangster thing, but you can't even walk near that. If you look at Spanish Town, you them where you are linked with same system. Marvel belongs to me. Jewsland, Waterhouse, Samarkand, Bucktown, you know the thing go already. You don't know where you do that from. You don't want to get into that today. Go face the youth them.
So viewer subscriber, you don't know what time it is. I'm going to just cut it right there, so. But more to hear from Uno. When you think about that, what Foota Hype had to say, do you agree with Foota Hype? Do you agree with him or you disagree? You see me? Yeah, man. So that a phone job viewer subscriber. Just make me know what think about what Foota Hype say. You see me? Yeah, man. So watch on man, like up this video, share it up, click the bell to be notified, and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Yeah man, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy, road to 2,000 subscribers. Yeah man, big up on yourself, and as always, catch you in another one.